India. Second largest consumer market to flowers with around 300 million strong middle and affluent class out of the 1.34 billion population. India is poised to become the world's largest consumer market by 2025. The 15th International Flora Exposition 2020 is a must-visit blooming extravaganza for exploring trade opportunities and will provide a platform for convergence of global business interests, such as conventional flowers and gardening industry professionals, bulk buyers from large industry, florists, retailers such as home centers and interior designers. Visit for greenhouse construction and engineering, climate control, cold chain, sharing nets and protection material, post-harvest technologies, horticulture supplies, planting material and seeds, processed flowers, irrigation and fertigation systems, floral accessories, packaging and decoration products and floral design championship. 15th International Flora Expo 2020, 28-29 February to 1st March, Hitex Exhibition Center, Hyderabad, India, organized by Media Today Group.